another video. I am the Weave Whipped Queen. And yeah, guys, I did my makeup and I just wanted to show you how I use Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and let's see, Forever 21 products. All for the low. So right here, I am actually using a eyeliner pencil for my eyebrows. And guys, I already did my eyebrows before, but I decided to start recording. So yeah, I'm just mimicking how I would do my eyebrows if I were to do them, with the concealer above and below the eyebrows. And yeah, guys, this is the medium color and then the light color. So I used the lighter color, and that was from the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. And yeah, I'm just putting that underneath my lid. And to really make your arch pop, put a lot of the color underneath that eyebrow. And then I took some of the middle color and put that over my eyebrows. Now, I wish it had been a little bit darker so it can go with my complexion, but really when you go to the Dollar Tree, usually the colors are not really ethnic. They're more of, well, Eurocentric, I guess. Maybe that's the word for it. Let's put it this way. If you got chocolate skin, they're not really as good for you. But me, my undertones are golden, so yeah, I work with it. And this is from Forever 21. It's a bunch of eyeshadows. They were $5.99 for those, but I got it for $2 because it was 50% off or something, which was awesome. $2 and some change. And yeah, these are the colors. They're really awesome. And I like the fact that it's got like a glitter shimmer to it. Now yeah, so I'm using the little brush that came with it, and an eyeliner pencil came with it as well. I'm gonna use the black, I think, maybe the blue. Yeah, the blue. And guys, if you like these voiceovers, let me know. So yeah, I'm taking that, I'm starting. And I've learned that instead of like sliding the color over your eyelids, like painting it on, you actually dab it on, basically like it's a powder. You see how I'm doing the dabbing motion? Just basically dab. And guys, sometimes I do get it near my nose. And I had a friend tell me, you don't wear makeup on your nose, you wear it on your eyelids. So eventually I will wipe a little bit of the makeup eyeshadow off once I get done. So right now I am just patting it on, and then I'm gonna take, I'm still patting. Yeah. Okay, Miss Perfectionist. Crazy eye looks. Okay, now I'm taking the black. It's all glittery. And I'm just going to blend it a little bit. Get a little bit dark. So it's getting a little bit darker and just dabbing it at the middle of my eye. Instead of dabbing it, okay, never mind. I'm going to the inner part. So basically, I want it thick on the ends, the color very dark on the ends, and then work it towards the middle and a little bit towards the front, kind of give it like a blended appearance. So I'm basically blending it so it can be crescendo, I guess, from where my eyelid starts near my nose to where it ends. It increases in its darkness. So basically it gets thicker, the color gets darker as I continue up my eye from where my nose is. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. So yeah, I'm gonna close that. Thumbs up. So now, oh, and guys, please enjoy the picture in the background. I love that picture. It's my mom's baptism. Yes, I love Jesus. Amen. Okay, guys, so I'm taking the middle color and I am just blending it. Blending the concealer. Well, actually, it wasn't concealer. It was eyeshadow. But I use my eyeshadow as concealer, basically. And I just dab it in the middle color. which is sort of like a brown, but it's not really that dark. It's kind of ashy, but it works for me. Give it like a highlighted. I just dab it, start at the beginning of the eyebrow to the end, come back up, and basically what I'm doing, yeah, use my finger to kind of work with it, and yeah, because you want to blend it. You don't want it just to be your concealer or your eyeshadow, the light color, to just be underneath. You want it to look as seamless as possible. And guys, I'm a beginner at this, but I'm starting to like it. I really am. Kisses. One more minute, I guess. What is she doing? I mean, what am I doing? Okay, there you go. And guys, this is a highlighter, LA Colors, and it's from Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. And I'm not going to use the blue or the white color because it doesn't really do anything for my skin. It just makes me look really shiny and have a blue hue or a white hue. So I take the middle color, which is orange, like a golden, and I put it on my nose, kind of to what they call it, contour, or contour my nose, make it look a little more smaller, or as some would say, less wide. And sorry guys, if you hear my dog in the background, I apologize because he is being very disrespectful. Hush. Anyway guys, so I just put it on my chin, my cupid's bow, which is a little part, I think, above my lip. And then I put it on my forehead. So basically, the nose, the bridge of my nose, down to the bottom of my nose, the lip, the chin, a little bit on the top of my forehead, and guys, this is all highlighter, and then my cheekbones. So then once I do that, I use this BB cream, which I got from Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. I know you guys probably getting tired of me repeating that, but I just want you to know it's $1 with some change. I just put a little bit on my finger, and basically wherever I did the highlighter, I put it on there. And I don't put too much because mainly I don't want to get rid of the highlight, so I decided to keep it away from my nose. Then I'm gonna take play with it. And guys, you can use brushes or your fingers. I like to use my fingers. And then there's a little blender sponge. That one's kind of old, so excuse me for the. I just blend it. And guys, my skin is naturally smooth. It's a blessing from Jesus. And I don't really break out that much. My skin is a combination skin, so sometimes it looks very shiny. But I'm just dabbing that on. I don't really wear a lot of foundation. So guys, if you wanna I'm going around my eyebrows to kind of blend the top part. And I think I smeared one of the eyebrows. Let's see. I had to fix that. I'm just blending it all in. Yeah, I gotta go back to that left eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some lipstick. And guys, I use my lipstick for my lips and for my cheekbone to make a blush. And that color is kind of bright, so I'm gonna have to work on that. Okay, right now I am just. And guys, this one came from Dollar General, and I got it on discount for $2. Now, Dollar General, not everything's $1. I also got that pencil, I think, from Dollar General. No. I got that from Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. Woohoo! Sorry, I love my Dollar Tree. Now, I'm taking this blue pencil, going under my lip. Because, see, I don't have any purple or bluish lipsticks, which I need to get. So I was like, shucks, just use the eyeliner pencil that, that's blue or dark, and put it on my lips, and that will actually make a new lipstick. And just rub my lips together until it gets dark. Yeah, so it kind of calmed it down a little bit. And so now I am taking my sponge again, right there, and just blending in the blush. While I'm blending in the blush, I'm just, you know, actually really getting it kind of in there. So I'm doing strong strokes, you can see. And then now I am going to get some baby wipes. And guys, I noticed that, just a tip, I use baby wipes for my makeup now to remove my makeup, and you can use them as feminine wipes. Because I thought about it, and I did get those from the dollar store. And they're hypoallergenic, work really well. And I just feel like, but yeah guys, using baby wipes is an awesome way to both keep your feminine parts clean and to keep yourself, you know, fresh, and to remove makeup. And I thought about it, I was like, feminine wipes are really expensive, and then, you know, makeup wipes are expensive too. So I thought about it, I was like, well shucks, what about baby wipes? Because if it's good enough for a baby, you know, baby's tushy, why not be good enough for me? So yeah guys, I'm feeling myself. Thanks for watching.